Did you know that while some students are just trying to survive the academic grind, others are making thousands of dollars before they even graduate? Yes, it sounds counterintuitive, but the truth is, the secret to making money isn't in internships or traditional jobs. What few people talk about are the high-income skills that any student can learn. Skills that increase your market value and put money in your pocket fast. Imagine mastering a skill that allows you to get paid more than most college graduates. Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore here. If you're tired of hearing that you need to wait years before you start seeing real money, know that there's a more direct path. A path that involves mastering the right skills and applying them strategically. But first, make sure to subscribe. Here, you'll learn the secrets to making money and investing like a pro. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. High-income skills for students. For students, learning to develop skills that truly increase their market value is a real key to success. Most people don't understand the importance of possessing so-called high-income skills, those that are highly compensated. When you master one of these skills, the financial game changes completely. A student who knows how to make money while still in university is already ahead of many others who only start thinking about it after graduation. It's about standing out in a competitive world and learning how to make money smartly, even while you study. High-income skills are those that allow their holders greater financial freedom, as they aren't restricted by traditional work standards. A student who, for example, knows how to develop high-income skills can open doors to countless opportunities. It's not just about acquiring theoretical knowledge, but knowing how to apply it practically and strategically to make real money. The interesting thing is that these skills can be learned affordably and applied immediately. Have you ever stopped to think about how much you can increase your market value just by acquiring one of these skills? Imagine knowing something that few people master, making you highly sought after. Think, for example, of students who learn to work with advanced software or who excel in website design. This makes them professionals capable of charging for services that are essential to businesses. And believe me, the market is full of opportunities for those who are willing to invest in these skills early on. Software consulting for businesses. Have you ever thought about mastering a software and becoming a specialized consultant? Many companies are looking for more efficient ways to organize their operations, and that's where you, as a student, can step in. By learning to use tools like Notion, you can teach businesses how to optimize their workflows and communication. What may seem simple to you is often a challenge for many entrepreneurs. They need someone with the right knowledge to guide them, and this can be a great opportunity to make money while still studying. Software consulting is one of those high-income skills that offers flexibility, whether in terms of time or location. Imagine working with small local businesses, or even large corporations, helping them implement technological tools effectively. The key is positioning yourself as an expert in a specific software and offering a service that solves real problems. If you can prove your value right away, doors to longer contracts or even partnerships will open. A great example of this would be someone who, after mastering Notion, starts offering workshops or individual consulting services to businesses that need to better organize their information and projects. The interesting part is that you can start small, offering your services to local businesses or startups that need agile and practical solutions. This increases your chances of building a strong network and, of course, learning how to make money while gaining valuable experience along the way. Copywriting. Mastering the art of copywriting is one of the fastest and most effective ways to learn how to make money. Companies are always on the lookout for good writers who know how to sell with words. And the truth is, when you can write texts that persuade people to take action, whether it's buying, clicking, or subscribing, the value of that work becomes almost incalculable. The great thing about copywriting is that you can start with small businesses or online ventures, and as you perfect your skill, you can charge more and more for your services. The power of copywriting lies in its ability to influence. A good copy speaks directly to the heart of the reader, offering solutions to real problems and creating the feeling that the purchase is exactly what the person needs. For students looking to develop high-income skills, learning to persuade through writing is a surefire shortcut to boosting your income. Imagine creating a sales page for an e-commerce business that increases conversions by 50%. This not only brings money to the client, but also ensures that you become highly valued. There are countless practical examples. Take, for instance, a software company that needs to grow its customer base. A good copywriter can create persuasive emails or social media posts that convert leads into customers. This can be done remotely, which is perfect for students who want flexibility while making money. By developing this skill, you not only open up immediate job opportunities, but also build a solid and promising career. Designing for businesses. If you've mastered design, then you're already one step ahead of many students still looking for how to make money. The demand for good designers is only growing, especially in the business world. Whether it's creating websites, logos, or graphic material for social media, companies are constantly searching for someone who understands both aesthetics and functionality. The ability to turn an idea into something visually appealing and effective is one of the high-income skills that can earn you significant income. And the best part is, you can do it while still in university. For those looking to break into this field, the path is clear. Invest time in learning the right tools. Software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Figma is practically mandatory for anyone wanting to offer design services. Imagine a local business needing a new website, or a startup about to launch its product and needing marketing materials. Knowing how to deliver a design that is not only beautiful but also functional for the business is the kind of skill that puts you at the top of the market. And the best part is, you can start small. Offer your services to local businesses, small companies, or even classmates starting their own projects. As you gain confidence and build a portfolio, your rates can increase, and you'll start attracting larger clients. Talented designers who understand what businesses really need will always have a guaranteed place in the market. And of course, the journey to making money in design can be extremely rewarding. Web development. Web development is one of the high-income skills that is always in high demand, and that's not going to change anytime soon. Every company, big or small, needs a functional and well-designed website. And the best part? They are willing to pay well for it. Learning how to make money through web development involves mastering programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with modern frameworks that help create fast and responsive websites. Students who dive into this field quickly realize how this knowledge can be turned into money. Consider this. A local business owner wants to expand their online presence, but their current website isn't delivering the expected results. They want something that works, something that converts visitors into customers. That's where you come in, offering the solution they need. Creating an optimized, visually appealing, and high-performing website puts you in a prime position, both in the short and long term. Companies pay good money for solutions that deliver results, and you, as a student, can take advantage of this growing demand to make money while still learning. Moreover, web development offers great flexibility. You can work as a freelancer, serving local businesses or startups, or even start your own web development business. Over time, as your portfolio grows, so do your earnings. It's not just about building websites, it's about understanding how to turn a company's online presence into an efficient sales machine. And with this skill in hand, you're ready to explore all the potential the digital world has to offer. Coding. Mastering programming opens doors to some of the best opportunities within high-income skills. In the digital world, everything revolves around code. From apps to complex enterprise systems, knowing how to code is a passport to a world of possibilities. Learning how to make money with programming might seem challenging at first, but the reward is immense. Students who acquire this skill have the power to create their own tech solutions or work for innovative companies that seek skilled individuals to build scalable and profitable products. Imagine starting by learning languages like Python, Java, or C++. These are the pillars of modern technology and set you on a solid path to building software products that truly make a difference. And the best part? You can apply this knowledge in various fields, from app development to creating algorithms for tech companies. Programming offers tremendous flexibility, and with it, the possibility to make money in ways you might never have imagined. What's even more exciting is that over time, you could launch your own product. Think of students who developed apps that now generate millions in revenue. It all started with an idea and a powerful skill: coding. By investing in learning programming, you not only increase your chances of landing high-paying jobs, but also pave the way to becoming an entrepreneur in the future. And of course, the journey starts now, with you acquiring this skill that can forever change your financial future. Now that you know which high-income skills are the most valuable to learn in 2024, the big question is, what's going to stop you from starting today? The knowledge is in your hands, and the path to making money is more accessible than ever. Which of these skills will you master first? Will you choose programming and create something revolutionary? Or maybe copywriting and turn words into cash? The decision is yours, but time waits for no one. If you start now, in just a few months, you could already be earning more than many college graduates. Are you ready to truly change your financial life? If the answer is yes, then you know what to do. And of course, to keep learning how to generate money and discover more ways to make money with these skills, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Don't miss the next tips that will help you speed up this process even more. Now on your screen, you'll see two options: a playlist to binge watch the channel, and on the other side, a video YouTube is recommending for you. Make your choice and come with me to reach your success invest.